Putangin na kung wala kang jowa kasi tol, sa February 14, isa lang ibig sabihin on Earth. Okay? Pangit ka. Okay, eto guys ha. Piece of advice. Piece of advice. Magpe-February 14 na Earth. Tol. Earth. Magpe-February 14 na. Pag wala kang jowa, isa lang ibig sabihin yan, tol. Okay? Huwag mong masamain ang aking sasabihin. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, guys, wala kang Lamborghini. Or, Earth. Wala kang jowa sa February 14?